Today we are going to have a revision test of chapter number 11. Okay. First question. First we will take the question of one marker, that is MCQ and assertion and region questions. You know that in one marker question you are having 2 to 3 MCQs, while 2 questions or 1 question of assertion and region. And after this you are having very short answer type of question in 1 markers. So first we will be taking MCQs. The first MCQ is splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a glass prism is due to. You will note down the answer. Just note down the answer on the copy. आप सिर्फ question के answers लिखते चलो. I am writing down the questions. And all these questions are from CBSE board papers. Splitting of white light into 7 colors. Into 7 colors on passing through a glass prism. On passing through a glass prism is due to. Write down the options. Option A, dispersion. Option B, refraction. Option C, scattering. And option D, reflection. Okay, so this is the first MCQ, splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a glass prism is due to dispersion, refraction, scattering, or option D, reflection. Have you marked your answer? Yes. Yes. Which option is correct? Very good. So option A is correct, dispersion. The splitting of white light into its component colors on passing through a glass prism is called dispersion. Okay. After this, next question. Question number 2. At noon, the sun appears white as. At noon, the sun appears white as option 1. Just hear the option very carefully. The light is least scattered. Option 1, the light is least scattered. Option 2, all the colors of white light are scattered away. All the colors of white light are scattered away. Next option, option number 3 is blue color is scattered the most? Blue color is scattered the most. And the last option D is red color is scattered the most. Red color is scattered the most. Which one is the correct option? Read all the options very carefully and then answer. Yes. Yes. Answer. Which one is correct?
The light is scattered.
Okay. हाँ बताओ कौन who is answering? Just raise your hand and answer. Yes, Alka. Option A, B, C, D. चारों option में से which option is correct? Option A. Okay. Anyone else? Harsh Kumar. Which option is correct? Yes, Seema. A. Okay. So the correct option is option A. The light is least scattered. As you know that at noon the sun appears white because the light from the sun is directly overhead and travel relatively shorter distance. The sun appears white as only a little amount of blue light or violet light scattered. तो ये option 3 भी wrong है and all the colors are scattered away, ये भी गलत है. Okay, come to the next question. Now I am giving you assertion and region kind of a question that came from this chapter. आपको ये तो पता ही है assertion और region में. Just wait. So the assertion is the stars twinkle while the planet do not, and the reason given for the above statement is the stars are much bigger in size than the planets. Is it, just tell me the correct option. No.
Assertion and reason both.
Very good.
And it's the correct option.
No. Anyone else? Yes. This is true. Both the statements are true. You know that the star twinkle while the planet do not. ये आपको पता है. This is correct. Assertion is correct because you know that only stars twinkle while planets do not twinkle. After this, the second statement is given that the stars are much bigger in size than the planets. Is that true? You know that there are various planets which are bigger in size and stars are very far away. So एक बार just think about it. After this, then I'll answer.
Ma'am.
Yes. See.
Ma'am, both are correct, but
Correct option
one
is
is
B.
not correct.
Yes, both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of the above assertion. हमें ये देखना है कि जो reason है देखो ये statement में अपने आप में correct है. काफी सारे stars बड़े होते हैं, bigger size में होते हैं planet से. This is true. Okay, the assertion is also true. The stars twinkle while the planet do not. This is also true. But is this the reason correct for the above one? No, because you know that planet do not twinkle because planet are much closer to the Earth or much closer as compared to the star. यहाँ size की तो बात होती नहीं twinkling पे, ठीक है? Twinkle का reason क्या होता है कि planet का भी size बड़ा है and they are very much closer to the Earth. So the correct option is option D. As the planets are of larger size than stars and much closer to the Earth, planets can be considered as a collection of large number of point-sized sources of light. The total variation in the amount of light entering our eye from all these individual point-sized sources will average out to 0. आपने NCERT में पढ़ा था ये पूरा पैराग्राफ. Therefore, planets do not twinkle. हमको reason देना था planet twinkle क्यों नहीं करते हैं. While the reason is a correct statement, but it is different from the reason for the above assertion. Correct? Yes. So the assertion is blue color of sky appears due to scattering of blue color. Reason is blue color has the shortest wavelength in the visible spectrum. Now just tell me option A, आपको पता है assertion and reason both are correct and reason is the correct explanation. B, when assertion and reason are correct statement, both are correct but R is not the correct explanation of reason. C, when assertion is true but reason is false, and D, when assertion is false but reason is true. Which one of the above statement or which option will be the suited most? Anyone else? The correct option is first one. The correct option is first one. As you know that in term हम यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हो आप scattering. आपको पता है scattering सबसे ज्यादा किस कलर की होती है? Blue color की, because it is having the shortest wavelength in the visible spectrum. जो white light का visible spectrum है 7 colors में, 7 colors का, उसमें सबसे ज्यादा shortest wavelength की scattering होगी. And you know that the shortest wavelength is of blue or violet end. So blue color of sky appears blue due to scattering of blue color. This is true. Further, blue color has the shortest wavelength in the visible spectrum. That is also true. And here the reason is also the correct explanation of the above assertion. Clear? Anyone is having any doubt? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please ask. Now, beta, when I have told you about scattering, I have told you that scattering of light जो होती है depends on the size of the particle. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जब अर्थ का एटमॉस्फेयर है, यहाँ पे अर्थ की स्काई के बारे में बात हो रही है. यू नो दैट द पार्टिकल ऑफ द अर्थ स्काई इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ अर्थ. तो एटमॉस्फेयर के सारे पार्टिकल फाइन साइज पार्टिकल होते हैं और फाइन साइज पार्टिकल में जब भी स्कैटरिंग होगी व्हाइट लाइट की, तो सबसे ज्यादा जो स्कैटर करेगा वो दैट कलर विल बी ऑफ शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ. और शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ आपको पता है जब विब्ग्योर लिखते हैं तो वायलेट एंड की शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ होती है एंड व्हेन यू मूव टुवर्ड द रेड एंड इट इज हैविंग लॉन्गर वेवलेंथ. तो स्कैटरिंग सबसे ज्यादा किसकी होगी? शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ की, बिकॉज दीज पार्टिकल्स आर ऑफ फाइन साइज. ठीक है, तो अब वायलेट एंड के पास में कौन सा कलर है? ब्लू कलर है. तो सबसे ज्यादा स्कैटरिंग ब्लू कलर की होती है बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ. दिस इज ट्रू, ये तो सही है. अब ब्लू कलर स्काई का क्यों ब्लू होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट. और स्कैटरिंग किस कलर की सबसे ज्यादा होती है? ब्लू कलर की होती है बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ. तो ये करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है अबव रीजन का, बिकॉज आपको पता है स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट से ब्लू कलर होता है स्काई का. और ब्लू कलर ही क्यों स्कैटर होता है? इसका रीजन क्या है? शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ ऑफ द विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम स्कैटर्ड द मोस्ट. ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा समझ में आया बेटा?
यस.
किसको क्या चीज समझ नहीं आई वो पूछो. फिर कहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है? एनीवन? दिव्या, ऋषभ, अलका, हर्ष, अंशिता, अपूर्वा, हर्ष कुमार, बेटा आर यू प्रेजेंट इन क्लास? Next question, Harsh, you will do. Just open your mic if you are present in the class. Or I will note down the names, those who are present over here and do not answer. And just tell their parents whether what is the problem that they are not answering. Okay, come to the next question then. So screen दिख रहा बेटा आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 4. This is again a reason and assertion and reason question. So first, the assertion. Yes. Note down the question. Question number 4. It is a 5-marker question. CBSE 2012 में आया हुआ question है. It is a prism. The question is given that a beam of white light. Note down the question. A beam of white light falling. Everyone, just note down the question. A beam of white light falling on a glass prism gets splitted into 7 colors. Gets splitted into 7 colors. Clear? Have you got the question? Class 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So a beam of white light falling on a glass prism gets split into 7 colors marked from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the numbering over on the prism side. The first part of the question is the color at position marked 3 and 5 are similar to the color of sky and the color of gold metal respectively. Is the above statement made by the student correct or incorrect? Justify. Okay. So, first question is, should I note down the question? The question, first part of the question is, see, एक student ने exam किया है according to the question that came that it is a prism, and you know he marked the dispersion and he marked the colors from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now the first statement is the color at the position marked 3. The color at the position marked 3 and 5. You can see the colors at 3 and 5 are similar to the color of sky, are similar to the color of sky, and to the color of gold metal, and to the color of gold metal. Gold metal. Whether these two statements that the student have given is true or false. बताओ जल्दी. First of all, you have to identify what are the number, what are the colors at these different numbers. So just tell me at number 7, which color will be at number 7?
Red.
Red? Just see the numbering. I have numbered from top to bottom. You have to see them. Yes, violet. Do not do the same mistake, beta. This is a 5 marker question. Okay, and this came in CBSE 2012. So just have patience and see the numbering. The number is from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So which number will be at 7? Which color will be at 7?
Violet.
Violet. 6 पे?
Indigo.
Indigo. 5 पे?
Blue.
Blue. 4 पे?
Green.
Green. After this?
Yellow. Yellow.
Just wait. Just wait, the screen is coming. Wait a minute. You are having which color? Yellow.
Yellow.
2 पे orange. 1 पे red. So now just tell me the color at the position marked 3 and 5 are similar to the color of sky and to the color of gold metal. Is that true? Is that true? The color at the position 3. Which color is at position 3? Yellow. Which color is at position 3? Yellow. And 5. Which color is at 5? 5 पे blue.
Blue.
Are similar to the color of sky. Number 3 दिया हुआ है आपको color of sky के लिए, and number 5 is given for color of gold. Number 5 is of blue color and number 3 is of yellow color. The statement is true or false? False. So the statement is false. You will write the answer as no. Color 3 refers to yellow and color 5 refers to blue color of the spectrum. Therefore, the statement made by the student is incorrect. क्लियर? समझ में आया? और आप देख भी सकते हो, अगर आप थोड़ा भी गलत करोगे, 5 इज फॉर ब्लू एंड 3 इज फॉर येलो, तो आप समझ सकते हो कि ये स्काई और गोल्ड का कलर है, बट स्टेटमेंट में 3 पहले है एंड 3 इज रेफरिंग टू कलर ऑफ स्काई, बट फ्रॉम द स्पेक्ट्रम यू सी दैट 3 कलर इज referring to yellow color, which is false. Therefore, the statement made by the student is false. Clear? Now, the next question of this, the second part of this question will be, second part is question का था, just answer me and asking the question verbally. The question is, which of the following shown positions correspond approximately to the color of a brinjal? Among all these 7 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which number color correspond to the color of a brinjal? brinjal कौन सा कलर का होता है? Violet. And among these 7 colors, yes, among these 7 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which number is belongs to a color of a brinjal? आपको नंबर बताना है.
7.
Yes. तो सेकंड पार्ट का फर्स्ट ब्रिंजल कलर कौन सा हो जाएगा? 7. नेक्स्ट इज डेंजर सिग्नल. The number which color belongs to a danger signal. Danger signal 1. Yes, very good. Option 1. Danger signal को कौन शो करेगा? Color 1. And which color is belonging to number 1?
Red.
Very good. Red. Next is C. Neil, which is applied to clothes. Which color among these numbers belongs to or correspond to Neil, N-E-double-L, Neil, or Neil, which applies to the color of clothes? आप लोग अपने व्हाइट शर्ट्स को मदर यूज करती हैं नील, ब्लू और अदर कलर? नो. Which number? Indigo. Yes, very good. Neil color is actually referring to indigo. It is not a sky blue color, but it is a indigo. अगर आपके घर पे उजाला की बॉटल्स हो या आपकी मदर जो आपकी व्हाइट टी शर्ट को क्लीन करने के लिए जो कलर यूज करती हैं, तो दैट कलर इज indigo. Okay, that is not a sky blue color. It is a indigo shade of blue. So Neil, which is used for which is applied to clothes, is referring to number 6. That is indigo. And last one is a color which is as similar to a fruit orange. Orange, most of you eat the fruit orange. Which color among these 7 refers to a color orange? Which number?
Orange.
Orange का कलर कौन से कलर का होगा? कौन से नंबर पे बिलोंग करेगा यहाँ पे? Yes. 2. Very good. So if you are having a orange fruit का कलर भी orange होता है, and among these 7 colors you know that number 2 belongs to orange. ठीक है? Number 1 is for red signal. Neil using in clothes is at indigo color. Number 6. The brinjal color is number 7, violet. While the fruit orange color is belonging to number 2, orange of the visible spectrum. Clear? So this is a 5-marker CBSE question. I'll give a test paper during WhatsApp class time. So if you have time, just join the WhatsApp class time and note down the questions. Clear?